Right, welcome to vertical stick swing. So our feet are going to be at a hip width distance, and we're going to have two sticks here with puño. And so from here, we're going to go down and up. Now the hips are, and the knees bend. The knees bend actually, not the hips. So when the tip of the stick is down, the knees bend, and then the tips come up a little bit and the knees come up. You can see when I go back, right, it comes up, so do the knees. And then when they're coming forward, right when they're at their lowest point, the knees bend. Okay, so a little faster, it looks like this. The point in that is that we're not just using our arms, right? We're using our hips, creating a flow. So down, knees bend, knees straight, knees bend, knees straight. And breathing. Now, a little detail on the back here is that the sticks actually hit the traps. So be careful. If you hit your bones, it can hurt a little bit, but it's conditioning. And breathe. And you're going at about this pace. All right, and enjoy.